Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I just want to go over my 5-year review of the Luxe Bidet. This bidet here has moved with me multiple times between apartments and my current house. Now the bidet is really easy to install. I mean, every time I install it into one of my new homes, I don't need to install anything else. There's no readjustment required. There's no tightening required. Now with it, one thing I do wish it had was like an adjustment nozzle, meaning that you can point the angle. I've had some bidets have that, but this one just has the simple basic increasing the pressure, which basically turns it on. And then it has like 3 different modes, which I don't really use as much, but they do have a feminine mode, which might be pretty useful for females. But with this though, I just wish that there was an angle. So if you're in the market for a bidet and you want to be able to adjust the angle, that would be great. In addition to that, if you're in the market for a bidet and you want to go ahead and have like hot water control, that also is a feature on some bidets that actually Luxe offers, but just not this model. But I hope you found this video helpful, guys. This was just a quick review on the Luxe Bidet just because I've had it for so long. It's in the common bathroom of my household and I hear a lot of people using it all the time and they really love it. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys all in the next video.